Good day, Victor. This is Terence here, and this is our vending machine. So basically, we can put $2 in, and then card comes down, lever, oranges come down, juicing, the card goes in for sealing, comes out in a watertight cup, and of course we take the straws from here. Straw. I'd like to tell you about our QR code as well. Those with a QR code which we can give to people on their smartphone, and then once you have the QR code, you press the button. With the QR code is scanned onto the QR code successful, then juicing also starts. Now of course we open the door and take out the juice, which is again in the airtight. We also have a video platform where we can actually play people's advertisements and for events and advertisement. Thanks.